Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a whole bunch of stuff that's been going on with the turbo build and a whole bunch of projects that I've been working on, so let's dive right in, take a look.
Go back.
So first off, my Wuhan war whistle came in. It's a Borg Warner Airworks S200X with a 48mm compressor. About 550 bucks on eBay, something like that. I think after tax was like 600 bucks. But super excited about that. Let's take a look at it. Ooh, baby. Just look at those curves. Oh man, look at those ports. Ooh, so smooth. So spinny. Oh my goodness. And honestly, look at this exhaust outlet. Just imagine this SOOTUTUTUTU just gonna come out of this thing, huh? Alright, yep, I'm super excited about that. Also, I picked up a new valve cover because my old valve cover, it spent a lot of time in Florida on my, in my car. My car spent a lot of time in Florida, and you might know this, but Florida is very high humidity, and these valve covers are made of magnesium, and the magnesium does not like humidity. And so my valve cover, my old one, is just absolutely destroyed. I'll put up some pictures right here. It is just terrible. It's horrible. But the new valve cover, it's only got a couple of things, little blemishes and stuff. Really just needs a new coating of paint put on it, so eventually, not before the build, after the build's done, I'll have the valve cover powder coated and everything like that. But that's exciting. I got that problem solved, and it's also very nice to have this done. I also picked up a new fuel rail. You can see it back over here. There's two fuel rails. My old fuel rail, I didn't exactly know how to take out of my car, and I stripped a bolt on it, and so I just took a Sawzall, and I just went in there and just started cutting until it came out. It only had like 2 bolts on it. I think it's supposed to have 5. There's only 2 bolts holding it in. So I'm really glad to have a new one. That's for sure. So glad that I have those parts, and I also destroyed right there. It's the variable valve timing thingy on the front of the engine. I accidentally destroyed it pulling it off my engine. I pried it the wrong spot, and there's supposed to be like a spacer, and I pried between the spacer, and I broke the rivets and stuff. And if you ever wanted to see what the inside of one of these things looks like, well, Merry Christmas and Happy Kwanzaa. I'm not gonna try to re-rivet it and stuff. I just got a new one. Well, a new old one. Also, take this meme that almost made me pee my pants. And then also, I'm working on a video for you guys on cleaning the head. It is an absolute pain in my booty because it's very dirty and there's a lot going on with it. And then I'm also going to be porting it a little bit, just on the exhaust side, not on the intake side, because the intake side is actually very nice. But the exhaust side has a couple of lips and some pretty heavy dividers, and I think that it would benefit and spool the turbo a little bit better if I cleaned it up in there. Anyways, so I'm doing a time lapse. Got my camera set up. Well, it's not in there right now, but I'm doing that for you guys. I should be up in the next couple of days. And lastly, I had to modify my welding cart because it could only hold 1 welder before. And come on, man. What, do you expect me to only have 1 welder? Bruh, I got a TIG welder now, okay? I got a TIG and a MIG because I'm going to be TIGging up my turbo manifold. I'm going to be building a turbo manifold for this build instead of like buying one, because I'm all about saving that dollar bills, even though I probably spent more money on getting a TIG. But if I ever need to take something else in the future, then I'm saving dollar bills, you know what I'm saying? So that's the update that's going on with me. More videos are going to be coming up in the next couple of days, but this is just an update, let you guys know I haven't forgotten about you. I love you guys. Also, tell me what your favorite turbo name is. What's your favorite turbo name? Wuhan War Whistle is my favorite right now with the whole, worldwide bug going on. But yeah, that's my favorite turbo name. Or maybe a choo-choo boy. That's a good one too. Turbski. So let me know down in the comments what your favorite turbo name is. Anyways, subscribe if you want to see this stuff coming up. Got a lot of content coming around for you guys. And not only car stuff. You guys know this. I do computer things, 3D printing, all this kind of stuff. Just right now, Dario is completely taking me over. I love this car and I got to get it done. So anyways, thanks a lot. I'll see you guys next time.